So you've decided to learn the I can do everything programming language, Python. Not that one, Joe. That one. Maybe you are diving into machine learning, exploring cybersecurity, or you want to build games. Whatever the reason, as a JavaScript developer, these are the essential things you need to know before writing any Python program. Let's go. First things first, to start any program with Python, you need to install Python. Just like when you want to do React, you install Node, or you want to do Next.js, you install Node. So how do you now install it? Go to python.org and download the installer for your operating system. Once download, the next thing you need to do, you need to install your code editor. You can use PyCharm code editor, yes, you can use the PyCharm code editor, but you can also use the best code editor in the world, and that was Visual Studio Code. And once installed, all you just need to do is just install the Python extension. Once installed, you see a play button at the top. You shall see one play button there. So that is the thing that you need to run your Python, programs, your Python code. That's when you're going to run it. Oh, before I forget, Python code actually runs in the terminal. Just like when you want to start your React app or your Next.js app or your Node server, it runs in the terminal. Everything runs in the terminal. Data types. So Python has these 4 key data types. You have string, just like JavaScript. You have Boolean, just like in JavaScript. But just like this one, you need to put capital letter. And you have integers and floats. Integers is whole number, floats is decimal, numbers that have decimal. Yes, Python separates them. Yes, Python actually separates them. Yes, it's a very big thing in Python. Don't do mistake. It's a very big thing in Python. Yes. Variables. Python doesn't have all these words like const, var, let when creating variables. No. If you want to create a variable in Python, you just have the variable name equals to and what variable value. That's all about creating variable in Python. So let's say you are creating a calculator or something like that that's going to require the user's input. How can you get data from the user? You don't need prompt in this occasion. You don't need prompt. You use your input function. Get value from the user. And once you output it out, you don't even need console.log. If you want to output the console, you don't need console.log. All you need is what? Print. It's just English. Print. That's all. If you're enjoying this video, please just like the video. Just like it. That's all. Control flow. Python's if-else statement is actually quite clean. Yes, it's clean. Unlike the necessary signs you have in JavaScript. If you are using JavaScript, you say if, circle brackets, your condition, and curly braces, whatsoever, do something. But if it is in Python, you say if you have your condition, no curly bracket needed. You have your colon. That colon is like your curly braces. And then you now press enter. You see like automatic indentation. Your Visual Studio Code editor is going to be able to give you. That indentation is very key in Python. Indentation is like the curly braces you have in JavaScript. It's like curly braces. So without curly braces, you have error automatically. That's how it is in Python. That's how it is. So you need to take care of that thing very well. So you want to comment? You just need an hash. That's all. Hash. That's all. You don't need double slash. Hash, that's all. Before you leave, Python actually uses the snake case, like unlike the camel case in JavaScript. Like now, if you have a 2-word variable now, if you have the first word underscore what the second word, but you can also use the camel case. Yes, you can use the camel case, but Python uses the snake case. Yes. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this video, just subscribe to the channel because I've got a lot of more videos coming out and you don't want to miss it. So just subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.